Okay, good morning everyone. Today we'll be talking about further mathematics, and I have one question from Olympia mathematics. And the question says, solve 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x. And the question says, we should find x. That is what it means. So now let's see solution. Let's bring down this. We said 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x. I'm going to apply the rules under indices that says when you have something like this, remember this is exponential equation. And now for me to break this down, I will now recall that note that a raised to the power of b times a raised to the power of c means a raised to the power of b plus c. So at this point, what do you think is here? What we have here is 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of 1, and that is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x. Now we move further to solve this. Let's see, what should we do at this particular point? I will now check. We are looking for x, and we are looking for a way to make sure that all the values with x are separated to one side. So I can now say, okay, these two should come out, and I open a bracket and insert this to have 2 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x. Now at this point, there is a possibility to make sure that x is moved to one side, this particular one, by dividing both sides by 2 raised to the power of x, by dividing both sides by 2 raised to the power of x. So now let's see. I can now say this cancel this. I now have 3 raised to the power of 2x all over 2 raised to the power of x, close the bracket, is equal to 2. Now let's see, what are we going to do again? I will now prove to you that this is a power. If I bring the x out, that means all this one will be eliminated. That is why we now have 3 raised to the power of 2 all over 2. Open the bracket, close, and raised to the power of x, which is equal to 2. So at this point, we are going to soon summarize this particular problem. Now let's see, what are we going to do again? Don't know if I can manage here. Let's see. We are going to check 3 raised to the power of 2 means 9, and that is 9 all over 2. Close the bracket, raise it to x, and it's equal to 2. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 all over 2. Oh, sorry, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 raised to the power of x, and it's equal to what? It's equal to 2. So from here, to get the value of x, I have to introduce log by saying the log of 4.5 raised to the power of x is equal to the log of 2. Now let's see. Remember, under the log, the rule says that if you have the power must move to this side. For example, a raised to the power of b means b log a. So from here, we are going to have x log 4.5 is equal to log 2. So we can now divide both sides by log 4.5 all over log 4.5. This cancels this, and x here is equal to, if you use your calculator at this point to type this, you will discover that log 2 divided by log 4.5 is equal to 0.46. So x here is equal to 0.46. Now to check your result, if it is correct, recall that 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 2 raised to the power of x. X is 0.46. Insert into it, you have here 0.46 plus 1 is equal to 0.46. When you solve this, you are going to have 1.75, approximately 1.75. So at this point, we have been able to prove that this is equal to this. Thank you. We meet again in our next class.